Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have the Tapo Video Doorbell Mini, the model D205 from TP-Link with 2K live view. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manuals. The charging cable type A to type C 30 cm to charge this camera. Screws. The drilling template. Double tape adhesive. Foam pad. The mounting wedge with an angle, if you want to use that. And the camera. IP54 waterproof, designed to withstand rain, dust and seasonal changes. You can see everything day or night with a clear 2K lens, providing 160-degree wide angle coverage of your doorstep, anytime, anywhere. The motion sensor PIR, AI detection with no fees, receive alerts only when a person is detected, reducing false notifications and saving battery life. Two-way audio with noise cancellation, communicate in real time through a built-in microphone here and a speaker. Enjoy a night vision black and white with the infrared LEDs at this position. How to install your doorbell? Well, you can do that without mounting wedge. There it is, on an angle. Use the 3M tape, double tape adhesive at this position and just place it wherever you want. We have one screw here to secure the bracket. There's a bracket. We have the reset button here. Very easy to install. Or you can use it with wedge mounting. If you want to use the wedge mounting at this angle or flip 180 degrees at this angle. You need to use these 4 screws. Remove the bracket from the camera. Install the bracket at the wedge angle mount with these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, install the bracket with a wedge mount with these 2 screws at the wall, screw holes. Use the drilling template. And in the end, place the camera at the base. There is installation. I like it. And optional, you can use this foam pad at the back here. If the place where you want to install the camera it is sensitive, use this pad to protect the back of the surface. I like it, so many options. And of course here you can choose either secure local storage with a microSD up to 512 GB of storage or the Tapo Care Cloud. Very easy to install the microSD card at the back. And it locks. And of course you can charge this video doorbell, Type-C port. The 5200 mAh rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power for up to 180 days, depending the settings you will adjust from the app. Never miss a visitor again? Let's find out how you can answer your door without opening the Tapo app. But before that, let's plug it in and charge it. We have the indicator, Tapo app, add the device, doorbells, Tapo D205. Press and hold the reset and sync button for 3 seconds. Perfect.
Doorbell on.
Next. Choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
You can rename the device. Where have you placed the Tapo device? You can choose an icon. Complete. Get 30 days free of unlimited cloud storage. Later, dismiss. Firmware update. Set up local storage. Some informations. How you can install this doorbell. Option 1, Option 2. Option 1. Exit. You can pair with chime or you can pair with hub. I don't have a chime or hub. And that was all. So easy to install your new doorbell. The 2K QHD resolution is a significant improvement on 1080p. Images are sharp and clear, enabling me to easily read package labels and recognize faces, even in the shaded area of my porch. The massive 160 degrees diagonal viewing angle eliminates blind spots, giving me a complete view of my doorstep and the walkway leading up to it. Now let's take a look at the app, how you can adjust all the settings and options to your needs. You can view other cameras from Tapo. Video quality, auto, 360p, 2K it is the highest. Video mode, auto, night mode or day mode. I will show you at the night how it looks. You can go at full screen. Take a screenshot, save it to download. Start recording what are you seeing at this moment live. Stop recording, save into memory. You can adjust the microphone's volume, mute and mute. Voice call, mic is on, you can mute, unmute, same and for the speaker. Again, you can adjust, tap to call. Excellent two-way talk clarity. This is the microphone's strongest feature. When speaking to a visitor through the Tapo app, your voice is transmitted clearly and with minimal delay. The person at the door can understand you perfectly, making it highly effective for providing delivery drivers with instructions or chatting with guests. And the call. Talk. Again, you can adjust. Hold to talk. The speaker delivers clear, intelligible and natural sounding voice audio. This means that your voice won't sound overly robotic or compressed to the person at the door, making communication more pleasant and effective. The delay between you speaking in the app and the sound coming out of the doorbell is very low. Privacy mode. Exit privacy mode. Quick response.
No one can answer the door right now. We are notified you stopped by. Sorry, not interested.
You can edit the voice response, custom voice response, tap to record. Please leave the package in front of the door. Tap to play. Please leave the package in front of the door. And you can record again. Settings. Later I will show you. Tapo Care. Premium. And Basic. Playback and download. And here you can see all the detected events. Just tap to play. Pause, resume, mute, unmute the speaker, take a screenshot, Start recording what are you seeing at this moment live. Stop recording. Crop. Maximum length 10 minutes. Clip and download. Download. Downloading video, and you can watch the process. All the downloads here. Playback. You can choose the speed. Go to full screen. Adjust with your finger at the correct position you want to go. Go a few days back, depending the microSD capacity of course. Cloud storage. I prefer more the microSD. Now let's move on at the settings. Device info, some information for the device. Detection, wake up settings, event detected or doorbell pressed. And you can adjust the wake up sensitivity from 1 to 10. It is on beta, detection range test, start test. Detection zones, set for all, set for each, edit. You can adjust the zone, add zone, adjust, delete, same and for the person. And save. So let's test it, see how it works. I am at this area. If I will move at this area, motion detected. I have notification. I like it. Or set for all. And again you can adjust for all. Battery status, disable, enable the show battery status, the battery percentage, wake up settings, again you can adjust, walking mode, custom, customize mode, retrigger time from 0 to 60 seconds or record buffer from 3 to 10 seconds. Maximum clip length you can adjust from 20 seconds to 120 seconds. Or you can choose power saving, balanced. You can enable the auto power saving mode or high performance. We have a warning for the battery. Custom. Solar charging data, enable, disable, it is on beta. Auto privacy mode, the same. And you can see for the past 7 or 30 days. Battery level, battery usage, time, event detection, filtered by AI. 90–80% the battery. Doorbell, doorbell ring, disable, enable, you can adjust the volume. Or you can choose other sounds. Pair chimes, add chime, pair with chime or pair with hub. Hub is not included. Doorbell video call, ring call or push notifications. Grant permission, it will work better. Spoken language, auto response, enable, response time, Again, you can edit the voice, record your voice. Tapo Care. Again, you can choose storage and recording. Disable, enable the local recording. Local storage. You can choose camera or hub. In the past I have made a video for the H500 hub. You can store it maximum 16 terabyte. Wow! You can format. Watch the video after the end of this video right in the corner. It is a very good hub. Loop recording, format the SD card. Clip settings, again you can adjust here. Recording schedule. Edit. Adjust the days and the hours. White not recording. Orange detection recording. Clear all. Select all. Record sound disable enable. Video and display. And you can choose the night mode settings. Adjust. Video quality. Privacy zones. Activate. You can add. Adjust. Add another one. Save, and you will have these results. Clear all, save, disable. On-screen display info, display timestamp, timestamp format, 24-hour time, display text, you can disable, enable, display logo, display tag on screen, live tag and speed tag. LED, it is on auto. You can choose the colors. Or switch it off. Network connection, Wi-Fi backup, you can choose the hub. Activate the privacy mode again. Deactivate. Notifications, disable, enable, reach notification. You need to activate the 30 days free of unlimited cloud storage. Activity type, you can choose. Schedule, always, during the day, during the night, custom time, from, to, and choose the days of the week. Always. Advanced settings, power line frequency, voice call mode, display settings, diagnostics, enable this feature only when something is wrong with your camera. Share device to other members, they need to have a TP-Link account. Smart actions, you can create automations and shortcuts. I have made a video in the past how you can create automations and shortcuts. You can check down below at the description or after the end of this video. User guide, support center, firmware update. You can check, enable the auto update, from to. I like to control my updates. Reboot the doorbell and remove the doorbell. So let's move on at the night and check the video quality. If you are looking for a video doorbell that requires absolutely zero wiring and zero professional installation, the D205 is a winner. The 2K clarity is fantastic for identifying faces and packages, and the wire-free setup means you can place it virtually anywhere. With long battery life and easy recharging, this is smart home security designed for simplicity and convenience. I am particularly impressed with the fast notifications and how clear the videos look, day or night. Plus, installation is simple and the Tapo app keeps everything easy to manage. Thanks to its support for local storage via microSD card, you can keep all your 2K footage both private and accessible right on your device. Its easy setup, high resolution and flexible storage makes the D205 one of the most compelling battery doorbells on the market today. If the video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming smart home reviews and comparisons. Thanks so much for watching, stay secure and I'll see you in the next one.